So just as I've got here, there's foxes just at the top of the hill. Still quite far away, but as soon as I seen them, I dropped to the ground. And the adult one did see me and run away straight away. But the younger cub doesn't seem to mind me being around. I'm quite far away, so I'm not going to disturb it. It gives me a good chance to lower my shutter speed and really crop in, because I feel like in this light, this low light, shooting at the thousands is going to be noisy. So I want to drop down to really low shutter speeds. It looks like it's got a pheasant, unfortunately, but that's nature. It's just incredible because I have such a rarity to see foxes. But I'm shooting it really far away and cropping in 100%. Yet again, I need a longer focal length. So again, it's low light as well. But I think I've got some really good ones here. I'm happy with this result. So I'm in the hole today and I bought my tripod, because last time I could get quite low shutter speeds, but when it's dark I can really crop in loads if the ISO is low. After watching it a few times, it perches and stays still for probably a minute or two. So if I can just grab one frame in really good quality, I'll be happy with that, really. No, goosins? Gooselings? Baby goose, anyway. Look at that. Beautiful. Ah, that's nice. Every other night where there's a bone, I see. So I can test this theory out straight away. If the bird is still and I'm still,
I did really go back, but go back to where's here. They're getting afraid of her. What are you produce there?
oh,
It's in the shade as well.
that's why I've got the tripod to shoot a tenth of a second, bring in all the light. That's my plan. I don't think it'll work, but it's fun trying. If they come out in this light, I think I'll be okay. It's just a matter of the focal length. Okay, it's 9:16 now. And it's still quite light out there. Really bright sky. There's amazing. Oh yeah, it's 6.3. 2 minutes ago it was 20,000 ISO. No, it was 25,000 ISO. Literally in 2 minutes it's Okay, 19:25 now. Any minute now, it's just going to completely go. Okay, so it's 9:30 now. It's still quite light though. Oh, hang on a bit. How slowly to shoot, be able to get those ISOs down rock bottom, stop cropping loads. Obviously, it's no good birds and flying. I think that maximises this landscape a bit. Really, the owl and the fox and the are the pinnacle for me to get good photos of those, and that's all I really wanted. Okay, I've really gone in a day. Any advice, please let me know, and see you next time.